بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الصلاة والسلام عليك يا سيدي يا رسول الله. Dear viewers, today we discuss rule number 7 of love by Molana Rumi rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh. He rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh said, patience is not the name of the fact that a person goes through the process of suffering in the hands of helplessness. Rather, the doctrine of patience is that a person should have such far-sightedness and broad vision that he should trust in the Lord while keeping an eye on the outcome of matters. What is patience? Patience is that when you look at the thorns, you see flowers. When you look at the darkness of the night, you see the light of the morning. Impatience is that a person is so short-sighted that the matter be unable to look at the end. The lovers of God never run out of patience, for they know that time is needed for the crescent moon to become full. May Allah Ta'ala make us His patient and thankful servant. Ameen. Video viewers will be present in the video with the 8th rule of love. Take care of yourself, share your love and your hurt. May Allah be your supporter. Peace be upon you and may Allah have mercy on you. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.